Hey guys, if you encounter this kind of problem while surfing the internet or while you're trying to visit the site, then let me quickly help you how to fix that on your Google Chrome or your Firefox browser. So to do it on Chrome, let me just quickly open our Google Chrome. Here on the up right corner, you will find triple dot icon, so click on it. Click on History. From the left pane, you will find Delete Browsing Data, so click on it. And here for the time range, we have to make sure that we choose all time. And we have to make sure also that we check cache images and files. Now click on Delete Data. And if you're on Firefox, let me quickly show you how to do it. Still on the still on the upper right corner, click on the triple dot icon, look for History, click on Clear Recent History, and for the options for when, we have to choose everything, and we have to make sure that the cookies and site data is checked, and the temporary cache file and pages are also checked. Once done, we have now to click on Clear, and that's all in there is to it. So in either case, you have to restart your browser and try visiting the site again. And if it still gives you an error, then maybe there is an issue on the site itself. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one. Bye bye.